Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting data. Back up any files and create a Windows boot USB now. Once done, enter BIOS and switch SATA to OSI and enable UEFI. Make sure the SSD is connected to the primary SATA or M, 2-slot and visible. Now boot the PC from the USB, because the only reliable way to run Windows on the SSD is a fresh, clean install to that drive. Begin the installer and proceed to drive selection without delay. During setup, choose Custom Install and select your SSD. Delete any partitions on that SSD to avoid leftover data. Create one primary partition and let the installer create the EFI and MSR system partitions automatically for UEFI boot. Install Windows to the newly prepared partition and allow the system to run through OOB until Windows Desktop appears. After first boot, install chipset and NVMe/SATA drivers, then sign in. This guarantees a clean system partitioning and correct boot configuration. Make the SSD the primary boot device in BIOS and confirm Windows runs from it by checking system storage. Once stable, enable trim, turn off scheduled defrags for SSD, and adjust page file sizing for performance. Install Windows updates and device drivers, then reinstall applications. If you encounter boot problems, stop and check SATA/M. 2 seating and cables, revert BIOS boot order to the SSD, or run Windows repair from the US.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.